How to check screen time on your iPhone. Screen time lets you see how much time you're spending on apps, websites, and other activities. Here's how to view it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Right away, you'll see a summary of your screen activity, including your average daily usage and most used apps. For a more detailed report, tap See All App and Website Activity. Here, you can switch between week and day views to check your screen time statistics. Scroll down to see exactly how much time you've spent on each app. You can also view information such as notifications received and device pickups throughout the day. If you're signed in with the same Apple ID on multiple devices, you may also see combined screen time data. You can switch between devices to view activity for each one separately. This is a great way to monitor app usage, track habits, and better manage your screen time. And that's how to check screen time on iPhone and view app usage details. If this tutorial helped, be sure to subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS guides, and helpful tech tutorials.